Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this. Okay, so in this YouTube tutorial we're gonna learn how to add end screen on YouTube video with the new YouTube Studio in 2019. Alright? Okay, so I'm gonna add an end screen on one of my videos. So to do this, I'm gonna go to the top right corner, click on my profile. I'm gonna click on Creator Studio. Okay, so this is the old studio. So YouTube is now promoting the new studio beta. So this one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do this in the new studio beta version. So to do this, just click on Try Studio Beta. So I think it's a good way to learn this on the new studio. So to do this, just click on Videos right here in the left sidebar. Alright, so I'm gonna choose a video I want to add my end screens on. So I'm gonna choose this one. Just click on the title. Okay, so now go to the left sidebar right here and click on Editor. Alright, so here we got the video, we got the audio, and down here you see that we can add an end screen. Just click on that. Alright, so if you want, you can add a template. So you can choose from 5 templates. You got this one video or playlist, this one, and one subscribe button right here. And in this one, we have one video or playlist with one link and one subscribe. And in this one, we got 2 videos or playlist and 2 playlists or videos and one subscribe button. And also the last one, we have 1 subscribe and 2 videos or playlist. In this tutorial on how to add end screen to your YouTube videos, we're gonna add blank template. Okay? So this is much easier to customize and make it your own. And after that, just click on Apply. Alright, so now you see 4 sections right here. So if I click on one section, we're gonna get this one: video, playlist, subscribe, channel, and link. So these are the options that we can use to add to our end screens. So let's say we want to start with video. If I click on video. Okay, so now we see these 3 sections. You can choose from one of these. So we got most recent upload. So automatically feature the most recently uploaded video. That means if you add this one to this video and you upload a new video, this new video will get featured in this video. Alright? And we also get best for viewer. Allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. So YouTube will try to find the best video that suits your viewer to get them to engage more with your content. Okay? And then we got choose specific video. So select from your videos or from any video on YouTube. That means you can choose a video on your channel to promote some extra. You can choose the video from another channel, or if you do a collaboration and want to promote their videos on your end screen, you can do that as well. Alright, so in this case I'm gonna choose most recent upload. Click on that. And now we can see right here we got video, most recent upload. And now we can move this around. We can change the position. We can make it bigger, like that. And also you can in the video ask them to click on this video to get some extra clicks on this video. Okay? And you can also adjust the end screen start time. So you can make this start earlier and you can make it stop earlier, like that. Or just use the full 20 seconds, like that. And also you can just change the element right here from video to maybe playlist, subscribe, channel, and link. Alright, so this is how you can add a video to your end screen. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so let's go to the second section. Click on that. And now we want to add a playlist. Click on playlist. And this will open up this window. So now you can search for a playlist. You can add a playlist URL. So let's say I want to add a playlist URL. Just open up a new window for YouTube Studio. Go to other features. Click on playlist. Okay, so now we want to choose a playlist we want to share. So let's say I want to add Instagram tutorials. So this one. Click on edit playlist. And click on edit right here. Click on share and copy the URL. Okay, go back, paste it right here. And you find the Instagram tutorials right here. Or you can just search for your username and the playlist name. So we got it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. And now we see the playlist right here in the video. We can make it bigger, make it smaller. Okay. And same thing here, we can change the time to full 20 seconds or make it shorter or make it start later in the video, like that. And also you can edit this one if you want to change to another playlist. And same thing here, we can change the element. Okay, so this is how you can add a playlist to your end screen. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so now we're gonna click on the third section and we're gonna use subscribe. Click on that. Alright, as you can see, we now get this subscribe icon right here. And if I click on play, it's gonna look like this. Okay, and we got this show hover card outline. So right now we have this hover card outline right here. And if I uncheck this one, it disappears. Okay. And in this case, I want to have this subscribe button under my recent video. So I'm just going to drag it under right here. And as you can see, it's now red. That means they are too close to each other. So I'm going to click on the video and I'm going to make it smaller like that. So we not get the red warning. Okay. Click one more time on the image. And I'm just going to check this one, show hover card outline. So this is good to see if it covers anything that you don't want to cover. So let's say I don't want to cover my face. Maybe I have to add this right here, because when I hover here, you can also click on the notification. It's not gonna cover me right here. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this. And same thing here, we can make this to full size, 20 seconds, or make it stop earlier, or make it begin later. Okay, so this is how you can add your subscribe button on your end screen. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so let's go to the last section, this one. So we can only have maximum 4 sections, but we can add 5 elements. So you need to choose which one you want to have. If you want to have a video, playlist, subscribe, channel or link, you can choose 4, 3, 2 and 1, whatever suits you the best. So in this case we want to add a channel promotion. Click on channel. So this is a good way to promote your second channel or another channel. So let's say I want to promote my other channel. So just search for the channel. So click on the channel like that. So now we have it right here. And now we can add a custom message. Okay, so we got the custom message, follow for smoothie recipes. And more, like that. And down here we got some problem. It's red. That means it's too close to each other or something like that. So we need to move this around like that. So now it's blue. And I don't recommend that you have this much elements in one end screen. This is just for demonstration. And same thing here, we can change the time frame like that. So if you want to have it end earlier, if you want to have it begin later, or just use the full 20 seconds. Okay? And if I click on play, hold over the channel promotion, we see the image, we see the username, and also the custom message. Follow for smoothie recipes and more. Okay? So this is how you can promote other channels from your end screen. Let's go to the last one. Okay, so now we're gonna add the last element, links. So I'm just gonna clean this up so we can have some space. So I'm gonna delete this one, and this one. So we got some space. Okay, so go to the next section, click on link. Okay, so choose specific link. You can only link to approved websites. So hold over the question mark. So your associated website, so not yet enabled. So this is a URL to your own website. So in my case, I have Waatz.com. So if you want to add your own website, you need to enable your URL. Let's go and open up a new window and go to Creator Studio Classic, because this is not a feature right now in the new YouTube Studio. Skip. Okay. Click on Channel. Go to Advanced. So go down to this one, associated website. Tell us if your channel is associated with another website. So just add your URL. Like that. Click on Add. Okay, so to associate with this site, you must verify that you own it. So click on Verify. Okay, so I will click on Alternative Methods. Choose HTML tag. So what you need to do is you need to go to your website's backend. You need to copy this one. I don't know if you use WordPress or something else, but you need to copy this one and paste it into your site's homepage. So it should go into the head section before the first body section. So you need to look this up how you can do this. And when it's on your site, you need to click on Verify. Alright? And after that, when your site is verified, we can go back and add the site right here and click on Apply. Okay? We can also choose merchandise sites. So link to your storefront or an individual product from one of the approved retailer sites. So I can click right here and see which one is approved. So here you have a big list on all the sites that you can use. So let's say you have a product on Shopify, you can use it right here. Okay, so let's say I want to use the Shopify link, paste it right here. And as you can see, it's an approved site, but in your case, you're gonna add a link to a product and things like that. Okay. And let's go to the question mark one more time. And you also got these crowdfunding sites. So drive awareness and support for your creative campaigns in one of the supported crowdfunding sites. So we can click on the link. And same thing here, we have a big list on the crowdfunding sites. Okay, so let's go back and let's add this one for demonstration only. And as you can see, we got the link right here. We got the link, we got custom message. We can change this. Just add a message about your product, call to action, and we got image. You can change the image if you like. You can upload a new image. Click on select file. Just choose an image. Click on apply, and this will change the image. And if I click on play, we have the custom message, buy latest product. We got the URL, we got the call to action, and the new image. Okay? And same thing right here, we can change the duration, finish earlier, start later, or use the full 20 seconds. Okay, so this is all the elements you can use in the end screen on your YouTube video using the new YouTube Studio beta in 2019. And in my case, I want to have the most recent upload. I don't want to have this one, so I'm gonna delete this one. And I'm gonna add a subscribe button and add it right here, like that. And I'm gonna change the duration to full 20 seconds. And when you're done with your setup, just click on save. And video is being processed. Please check back later. And we can just click on update. Okay, so it's done. Let's open this one and have a look. Just add a marker before and click on play. And we see the latest video right here and the subscribe button right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add an end screen to your YouTube video in the new YouTube Studio beta in 2019. So just play around with the different elements and start to promote your other channels, your videos, and get more views on YouTube. Alright, so I hope this helped and good luck. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.